Hey guys, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is the February 2023 Patreon STL for this is for people that wants to get some anime figurine miniature for D&D or tabletop as well. If you do like any of them, please let me know down in the comments as well. Subscribe, like, and share if you guys haven't. Check out our Patreon, Etsy, and our Discord page as well. Our Discord is dead, so that'll be lovely if you guys come. So we have the one of the Alcalar. I think she's number three or number three. Uh, that's gonna be for next month. For it, we have Jessica Rabbit for ES Monster. Had a big thing for her when I was a kid. So Jessica Rabbit, and we have a slutty looking Lulu from Final Fantasy X. Yeah, big bust. Mm-mm. Cannot say no to that, can you? Yes. Even though I'm married, I'm a perv. So is my wife. She's a perv too. Why is this not working? This is wicked. And what's Wicked having this month? Oh, Ryu and Ken. I'll get that. Oh, that look awesome. Look like the old school OG. Number was it Street Fighter Six coming out, beginning of that. Another one of the Black Hand from Marvel. I'm more looking forward to Ryu and Ken than anything else right now. Because they did Chung Li as well. They might do Chung Li. I don't know. Chung Li and Cammy. Is that it? Is that all they're doing? Ryu and Ken picture shot, crop shot, hand shot. Look at that face. Akuma will be pretty cool too. Yeah, Super Street Fighter. It's like Street Fighter 2 style. Holy shit. How many Ryu Kens are there? Is this just gonna be Ryu and Ken? We got Thanos with the Iron Man Infinity Gauntlet and Storm. Storm looks pretty good as well. Megatron. Yeah, I got Megatron and Optimus Prime, so that'd be cool too. I like to print some of these. I might print some of these for Christmas. My dad is a huge Transformers fan. Nom Nom figures. These are the ones I'm selling. These are the ones I have the merch license for. So we got the Great Grey Wolf Sith from Dark Souls, and we have the Alucard from Symphony of Night. This is more of a bust. We have Firekeeper from Dark Souls 3, and Hashtaka from Princess Mononoke. And we got the baby Sky Bison. So these are the ones I'm going to be selling. As a majority of them, and LE ones too. The one that before it turned into Nom Nom for it. So yeah, check out the store. Titan Forge miniatures. Let's see here. We have February Post. I think it's a Royal Knights, I believe. Scarlet Crusade, Conquistadors with the Griffin and a mask. You have a bison with a mask. They look like conquistadors, the Spaniards that went down and conquered South America. Looks like it in my. Wow, that guy has some really bad face. It's your wizard. I like that. You use it for Age of Sigmar as well, right there. That right there. That'd be pretty good to use. You got your ogres, orc. So a lot of pieces changes. Yeah, these are pretty cool to use for Age of Sigmar or fantasy. For there's look like conquistadors. Tell you shit, there's like your Warforged, your Mystic, and your Ranger looks like it. Looks wicked. I really want to try Eberron, but we got some spells action and a Chimera right there as well. So let's see what's next. Red Clay. I don't think they're doing anything for February. That's already been out. We already got that. 3D Mojo. Right, when it loads up. So I'm going to cut launch the little succubus. Okay, I already got that. So we have Mercy. We'll be getting Mercy. I don't know what skin of this is Mercy, but hot. You got the demon version of the Mercy as well. And that's the NSFW one. Okay. I think that'll be it for that. It's kind of hard. I don't really look at these beforehand for it. So we have Alastraza and SFW, but we'll look at the regular one from Dragonflight. I don't know what else that they're going to be doing as well. They usually have the ones for February's that they're going to release. Nope, they didn't. Okay, we have only Alexstrasza. I think they'll have more later on, but we'll see. Village of Hope, Village Hope Miniatures. I don't have anything out for February. February plan. So we have these two Oriental females in the chair with the background bamboo and tied up infidels, I guess. We have Dragon Tapper Lodge. I think this is ooze. They're doing ooze again. They do a lot of ooze, letting you know. So you have a lot of different types of dragons. That's good. And we have a lot of ooze. I don't know if these are back throwbacks, but yeah, a lot of ooze. Or we have baby dragons. And different kind. That's a green dragon, looks like it. But yeah, a lot of dragons. We got a lot of dragons this time from Dragon Tapper Tavern for it. And a lot of ooze. And you use these as plasmoid for spelljammers as well. I was thinking about doing an ooze planet and using these guys as well. I gotta figure out. I need to, to print all these. I need a hell of a lot of miniatures. Very true. And they don't need that much paint. I just print a different color of translucent stuff as well. A lot of these I remember. I think these are. I think the ooze are the throwbacks. To tell the truth. As our Ma. Let's see what you got for February. You got nothing for February for me. These are all old. Cast and play. I think they're doing the dragon ones on this one. I watched a video for it. Dragon Seekers. Throwbacks. Kobolds. And stuff. So we have Dragon Seekers, Dragonoids for it. They could be. They don't look like more like Dragonborn. They look like more like a fiendish type dragons, to tell you the truth. So I will not put these with Dragonborns, but if you do like the look for Dragonborn, go for it. Power's all on you with it as well. But other than that, yeah, we have a lot of these guys. Then probably end up. I'm trying to probably like have like a planet just ruled by different faction of they just like to go around and kill each other for that matter. Bruno Arts 3D STL. Let's see what we got for this. Tier, I think this one, but wonder. I can get this. Try that out. I think that's it for that one. Yeah, I already got this one. TK Lab. I don't know what's up for February for that, so we'll figure that out later, I guess. I think this is the last one for now. February set. We have a tower. Looks like a dice tower or watchtower. I've got Orc Raiders Fighter, Orc Raider. These doesn't look like looks more like goblins. Orc shamans, twisted orc raider. They look like more like the one from Lord of the Rings, tell you the truth. Cry orc, twisted orc fighters. Yeah, this is more from Lord of the Rings type of orcs. You mean like the old school orcs were like pigheads. For a lot of anime, still use the pighead orcs as well, orc leader. So that's pretty much it. Well, anyhow, guys, I hope you do enjoy. Subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.